So a little bit about me. As Rich mentioned, I work with both BDTI and also the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. I'm mostly speaking here in my Edge AI and Vision Alliance role. And in that role, I've gotten to work with a lot of different companies around different vision products and essentially trying to bring products to market. And there's this term, the definition, an expert. An expert is somebody who has made every mistake there is to make in a sufficiently narrow field. So by that definition, I am no expert, both because I haven't made all the mistakes there are to make in computer vision, and new mistakes are being invented every day, as near as I can tell. But I've made my share of mistakes, and as a result, I've got some lessons I kind of want to share. And this is specifically going to kind of focus more on management, less on technical stuff. So how do you actually bring a product to market? When should you use vision? What are the pitfalls? What are the things you do about that? I want to talk for a second, though, about lessons. The US military, at least for many years, was very fond of this lessons learned concept, right? Oh, we fought this battle and we learned this lesson. The British are perhaps a little bit more understated, and they would say, yeah, we're going to call them lessons identified, not learned. We'll see if we actually learn them or not, right? So some of the things we talk about here, these are lessons. We'll see if we learn them. I want to start with a joke that Jamie Zawinski made about a different technology. This is back 20 years ago. But he said, but I've adapted it to computer vision here. Say you have a problem, any problem. You say, I know, I'll solve it using embedded vision. Now you have two problems.